Hello everyone, I'm Dr. Sri Banerjee, core faculty for the College of Health Sciences and Public Policy at Walden University. And in this segment, I wanted to go a bit more about Michel Foucault's theories. Let's go ahead and get started. So historic development, I wanted you to be aware of some of the transitions that took place. So the original transition that took place was between being rulers to transitioning into a bit more self-governance, and the state would just be there to protect the citizens. Of course, sometimes this transition was violent. If you think about Charles I, he was executed. It's because Parliament challenged his divine right to be king, and this is the reason he was executed for high treason. So again, a bit more about how rulership to governance transition take place. Feudal lords were responsible for local rulership, while kings ruled the whole land. So the dual combo of a monarchy and the Catholic Church, they became the rulers. The Church was there to save the souls of the flock, and then the monarchy was there to rule and sometimes collect taxes. This went on, the monarchy and Catholic Church went on from the 8th century to the 16th century. So Foucault's idea of governance, as the transition took place from monarchy to nation states, the idea of governance became more crucial. The state used less force to control citizens. They used schools, hospitals, asylums for the state to exercise power and exercise control in a more subtle way rather than overt force to control. And then the final slide is what's his ideas about governance. The technology of power, which is not actual technology, it's the mechanism by which power is exercised. And then, of course, after that, guiding people's beliefs, it was pastoral power, and that was where the people attended to the well-being and moral propriety of both individuals and communities simultaneously. And then the next one is sovereign exercise of power, like public torture and executions, was the method authority figures used to coerce individuals to cooperate. So these are examples of different types of governance. Some are more forceful, some are more subtle. And this is considered the technology of power. So that sums up Foucault's idea of governance, which is different from some of his other ideas and philosophies. For instance, the prison and the watchtower. Those are anecdotes for another type of philosophy, Foucault's, and this is another one. I hope this makes sense. Thank you for listening.